Good evening, Sahana. This is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Congratulations on your placement. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sahana. I completed my graduation in RYMC College from Ballari.
Okay, and you are from Ballari, Rani. Okay, which course you joined here?
Sir, I joined a IDM course like Interior Design Management course.
Okay, what are the things you learned?
Sir, in this course, I learned softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and renderings like V-Ray and Schema. And also, I learned. I visited so many showrooms for gaining material knowledge.
Okay,
And
what about the classroom sessions? Which are the sessions you attended? What are the things you learned?
Sir, I attended basics of interior design classes and also cut list classes, and also I attended Vastu classes also.
Okay, good. And what about the site visit? Which are the factory, showrooms, experience center you visited?
Sir, I visited like a pepper fry material depot, Homeland, and IKEA. That's also. And a factory visit, I visited Aristo factory.
Okay, what have you learned there?
Sir, in that experience centers, I learned how different types of materials used in interior design, and also hardwares and types of modular kitchens. All those I learned in
Okay, which are the softwares you learned?
softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, V-Ray I learned.
Fine. So how was the support from the trainers during your internship year?
So the support is from starting to end. They are all well cooperated, and also they make sure that every student get a placement after finishing the course. Sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what about the staff support, the CMTI?
Staff is also very friendly and cooperative, and also they provide support during the interviews, like providing materials.
So tell me about the HR support.
Sir, HR is very disciplined. So from day to day, after finishing the course, from day one, they will contact us, and they will give every interviews whichever companies are hiring right now. They make sure we attend those interviews.
Okay, how many interviews you attended?
Sir, this is my sixth interview which I got selected.
So what was the preparation from your end for every interview?
Sir, I referred those class notes which I wrote during classes, and also materials given by staff members. I referred those. That's it.
Good. And finally, like, what do you like to? Okay, you tell me the things which you learned here at CMTI, which you have not learned at your college.
I learned the practical knowledge how the interior design is design role is like, and also SketchUp softwares like SketchUp, V-Ray I learned here, sir, and also AutoCAD. More than college, I learned AutoCAD here.
Good. Finally, like what you would like to say to the student who would like to join CMTI?
Sir, I recommend that every student after the graduation don't waste time and come to CMTI and take a course and build your futures career.
Okay, thank you for your time, Sahana.
Thank you.
Again, congratulations on your placement. Good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.